Hello everyone, welcome back Autopulse. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world with nothing but the open road ahead and a cozy little camper in tow, you're not alone. But what if you could do it with just the power of your own two legs? Welcome to the world of Camper Tricycle, a unique blend of adventure, freedom, and sustainability. Imagine this, a three-wheeled bicycle equipped with a compact yet functional camper pod, ready to take you wherever your wanderlust leads. It's more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle. A camper tricycle is perfect for those who crave exploration while leaving a minimal carbon footprint. Whether you're cycling through scenic mountain trails, cruising along coastal highways, or navigating through a bustling city, a camper tricycle offers a truly versatile experience. Let's dive into what makes camper tricycles so special. First, they're an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional RVs or cars. Instead of relying on fossil fuels, camper tricycles are powered by you. Some models even come with pedal assist features, utilizing electric motors to give you a boost when the road gets tough. This combination of human power and technology creates a sustainable way to travel that aligns with a greener future. Next, let's talk about design. Camper tricycles are built with a focus on functionality and comfort. Most feature a lightweight yet durable frame that supports the rider and the camper unit. The camper pods themselves are marvels of minimalist engineering. They often include a sleeping area, storage compartments, and sometimes even solar panels to power small appliances or charger devices. Now, you might be wondering, how does it handle on the road? Surprisingly well. The three-wheel design provides stability, making it a great choice for beginners or those carrying heavier loads. And because it's compact, it's easier to maneuver through tight spaces compared to larger vehicles. Another major advantage is affordability. Unlike traditional motorhomes or RVs, camper tricycles are far more budget-friendly. Not only is the initial cost lower, but maintenance is simpler and cheaper too. You won't have to worry about gas prices, engine repairs, or expensive insurance. Plus, many camper tricycle travelers find that they save money on accommodations, as their ride doubles as their home. Speaking of home, there's something truly magical about living in a space this small. It forces you to prioritize what's truly important and embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Every item you bring along must serve a purpose, but that simplicity allows you to focus on the journey itself. And isn't that what travel is all about? If you're worried about comfort, rest assured that camper tricycles have come a long way. Many modern designs feature weatherproof materials, ventilation systems, and insulation to keep you cozy no matter the climate. You can even customize your setup with additional features like foldable tables, cooking equipment, or even a mini fridge, making your tricycle feel like a tiny home on wheels. Now let's talk about the adventures you can have with a camper tricycle. Picture yourself pedaling through lush forests, stopping by a quiet lakeside to rest for the night. Or maybe you're exploring quaint villages, meeting locals, and immersing yourself in new cultures. Every day is an opportunity for discovery, and the pace of cycling allows you to truly soak in your surroundings. But beyond the travel itself, owning a camper tricycle is about joining a growing community of like-minded adventurers. There are online forums, social media groups, and even meetups where you can share tips, plan group rides, and connect with others who share your passion for this unique way of traveling. If you're ready to embrace a new kind of freedom, a camper tricycle might just be the perfect companion. It's more than a mode of transport, it's a gateway to unforgettable experiences, meaningful connections, and a simpler, more sustainable way of life. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure and let your camper tricycle take you there. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, the open road is calling.